So the content is this PDF contents can only opened by the user if he or she enters the correct password. So let's set the password of this PDF 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's download the PDF. So we downloaded the PDF, and when we opened it asking for the password. So if we enter something different like 456, just copy this and try to paste here, and you can see it's saying incorrect password. But if we just copy this and paste here, so you can see we able to open the file. So you make sure you have to enter the correct password which is set from here. So if we check the code, you can see we use the pdf make. So to install pdf make, you have to run simple command npm I install pdf make. So this you have to run basically like this. I already installed this, so I'm not going to install. So make sure you have run this command. Now after this you have to import like this pdf make and pdf fonts, and you have to set pdf make.vps vfs. So this three things you have to do in the starting of the application on the page which you are going to implement the pdf make. So now this is the variable basically content, and pwd content are the contents basically which is mentioned inside as a ng model on the inside any text area, and pwd is the set password, and it is the ng model for this input box, second input box, this one. Now when we click the download button, download pdf button, it call a method download. So if we check the download button, we define a object that is doc definition. In this we have two property, that is user password, which is assigned the this variable assigned to the user password property, and content is assigned uh, to the content property. So this contents is what the user fill in the input box, text area box, it is assigned to the content property. Now we call the pdf make create pdf, and we just pass the doc definition object and call the download method, and we pass the name of the pdf. So this things is going to download the pdf with the password and the content. So this is the way you can do inside ionic apps to download the pdf make using pdf make through password.